So my people, I have some things to share with you guys. I have Rosalie, my people, and Destiny link up to bring down the cat woman and her sister. Sister must name Riba. You see me? So I go share that with you know and how them deal with her, cause Destiny come from the same place where the cat one come from, you know, and them the plant Gungo line side, you know, them are enemy, you know, so Destiny come with the whole of the profile and everything. You know what I mean? So I go share that with you know. Blinga come out and this Rosalie, my people. I mean, they check say Blinga and Rosalie good, you know. Big one thing. And I talk about Rosalie and the cousin a picnic and all different type of things. You know what I mean? That I want to that are the next thing me have to share with you know. Also have Ivany and Dummy my people. Ivany and Dummy clash. Not really clash still. Dummy this Ivany come rub him out wicked. You see me? Me have to share that with you know. Yeah, so these are the things I'm gonna share with you guys. If there's anything else, you know what I mean, I'm gonna add it to it. So I could kick it off, you know, my people.
The people them say find out you put the jam in our place. Chat what we did the chat? Yeah man, bring a bad man. I say if you go man, bomb like that. TikTok enough for them. TikTok a blood clot for them. Them a go yo, them me tell you what them a try play on TikTok. Them a try play gatekeeping. So them if them coulda lock out certain people that TikTok fi don't get a bus man TikTok player, them woulda did it.
Thank you. Of course, because that's
know,
how they
have
are.
the power.
She is a bad mind girl.
Yeah, you know them did have the power to lock out people if you don't get a break on TikTok, them woulda do it. Cause she don't believe say nobody will make the money different from she and she not do a fuck with the money. Everybody on TikTok I do better than her. Mackerel I do better than her. She every blood clot body what she cost and I bring down do better than her. In a better function than her.
Right now, to all me see it, you see if she not bring her down, she not feel good. If she not class you, she not feel good.
And brother, I mean, you see we stay in big and fat and cranny and stay. That's why she love run out for people though. You may not talk Rosalie. I'm not afraid of you, you know, so I'm not afraid of you.
But think can't come for you. Are you in for comfort? And stop come for me. Come in up, girl.
Me not pack up. Me not meet up at the same church. Me never cross road together. Me never go to the same school.
Let me tell you, you see everything that is flex. Let me show you all them rest over here, so. You see everything where you do with them or what you and them do. You see as soon as you and them have a little problem, then bring it on the media. Them don't know for call you and talk about it, then bring it on the media. Every time that you do anything with them, or if you and them do something, or if you and them talk about something, then bring it on the media.
Too big I saw them stay. Cause them want the clout and the bag of rain, you see me? So them now go do that thing. Them like, say you my friend, and bring you down. Instead of call you. Just
and the people them afraid to tell them, but this a one girl what I go tell them. You're too bad mind. Rosalie, you're very bad mind. You're bad mind every girl, you hate every girl on TikTok. Rosalie, you're not that girl. You are not that girl. You're far from that. You're far from being that girl. Trust and believe. Because you think coming on here, classing people's kids all the time, you really think that's a flex. It's not. The people them don't want to tell you. And I'm gonna tell you. You're far from being that girl. You're not that girl. You're not. You see wait, Rose, you see the way how you are?
Yeah, fat girl and mango.
You see the way how you are, Rose? You should have set example for Jamaica, for Jamaicans. You not set none. You make we look worthless, Rose. You make Jamaicans look worthless. You have got so many spotlights, so many highlights. You get so much highlight. And so it better you did still a sell blood clot peanut and a drag the blood clot dirty slippers with the tear up front. Because this don't make no sense. This don't make no sense.
Me bombo.
Look how the lady look nice when she fix up herself. Do her hair, do her makeup. You don't like look good. You don't like nice life. You just want to sit down on the smoke. Yes, and that's all you want though. You just want smoke, and fucking act like this. You're shame way. There's a disgrace. There's a big dirty disgrace to Jamaicans. There's a disgrace. You don't serve no purpose, you don't make no sense. What you are doing on social media, you don't make no sense. And them no one tell you, I'm gonna tell you, you don't make no sense, dog. Change. It's not too late. Change up your folly ground, them. Change up your fucking folly ground. You should be a role model for some nice little kids at Jamaica. Because the way all you is, and I'm not speaking about your weight or anything in a bad way, but you should let girls like you have more confidence within themselves and be more confident. Rose, you can do better. You know, if you out here cuss people about blood clot bed. You're not supposed to out here start cuss people about bed.
People on top of his game. Everybody power down. Jesus Christ, this is a mistake.
Listen, it's okay to be living like a dog and a junk rain of flex. And if you get exposed, guess what? Just do what you're doing. You're not dead. Wheel and come again and make them. Some people go suck them mother. You get to me and say, wheel and come again for the people them.
But a crow will always be a crow in the blinga.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. And as far as Rosalie, my people, one of the things that Rosalie are overdo it or do too much just to get people to watch her and get gifts. Because the youth them, you know what I mean, we can't stop say this, we can't stop stress this. Everybody we are cuss the youth them when them are cuss a parent, you know what I mean, them for go down. Big woman thing, that need no explanation. You know what I mean? When you cuss a picnic, that shows say you don't have nothing about you. You understand me? I say I'm blinga now lie. If you are cuss picnic, why you wouldn't do? If you are cuss picnic, why you wouldn't do? You see me? But Rosalie is a girl very successful on TikTok still, and she a make her thing. You know what I mean? I don't know if she feel like, say, boy, that's the way to go when she cause people bring the picnic them in it, cause that get more views or whatever. I don't know, cause some people think different in other people. You see me, I say, but she not really have to, she not have to do it. She can't cuss without doing that, because me say, Rosalie are one of the person them on TikTok where when she cuss you, you know what I mean, she deal with you wicked. She find some things she say where me no know how she just find it off at the top of her head and say. So she creative when she cuss people. But since what year me say she add the picnic thing in her cussing, me no like that. When she cuss people, she add picnic, me no like that, my people. That distasteful. You see me? Yeah man, and that says a lot about you. You know what I mean? Make watch some more.
You can't take it right now, and a crow. Have that. Because you can take, Jamaicans have a saying, you can take the hog out of the mud, but you can't take the mug. How you go, people? You can't take the mud out of the hog. Stop it. You can do better, and you're better than this, but you can't even see it. I am telling you right now, this fucking bitch, if she go and do a
that means that she could have done surgery.
no, doctor not go chance that. Them no want them license get take away.
So, me not see myself go do surgery other day.
Listen to me. Flex, she needs to do better. She needs to do better. This bitch have me up because one, you see, through me and Raja a friend, and him never talked to Raja yet. Them there. Plus the share something. She want anybody who she and them are a friend, you and them not supposed to be friend either.
Yes, it's okay.
She can't do that. She can't do that. She want blood clot TikTok. She want TikTok.
And no matter how Flex, no matter how you tell them say you don't want any of the months, they're still dragging you for you to get peace. I don't want none Flex. Flex, if I want to go viral, I know what to do, Flex. Me sit down on a viral moment right here, so Flex. You understand?
Viral moment. 2026 body that you know.
Exactly. The army of the Flex I put on a 2-piece.
Yeah, 2020 blood clot 6 body. Bumbo clot. Rosalie. 2-piece challenge. Jam blood clot big blinga. Anybody win? Anybody lose? Come down on TikTok.
You have me up. You have me up and you hate me. So what? Stop talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't send me no much nothing. Don't even come over here. Black blood clots me. What is it because you're fucking hungry? You're hungry for everything. You're hungry for everything. You're hungry for views, hype, clothes, and all. So you do anything, you take disrespect from anybody, bitch. Remember you that? Remember you that? You don't even like the people them when you play with. You don't like nobody. And you need to stop it. Fuck you come on all of them come out here with the makeup stories. Anything you don't know me care come go on and me tell you and me show no. You don't know nothing about me. Cause none of the shit them and the lie them can't stick. Me not laugh with you no more because me tired of you. You're fuckery. You're a big fuckery. Tired of you, man. Me not laugh with you no more. You don't like girl, stop playing with blood clot girl. Black girl, I make girl fuck off. You come every time, I come make you look like say, we're cool. Oh, I bring on my friend, come bring on play too much. I bring this, that. Move with your dippy dirty blood clots. Tired of you, man. Tired. Flex, me cat. Flex, me rather them not deal with me, no Flex. I swear to God, you know. You don't like me, not deal with my brother.
Don't play hypocrite with you.
Fuck, man. And the girl them ever come for my life and like a wall like them one class around me ever stop them. Me I say chat when I bring down nobody. Cause I'm me alone them come for Flex. Them it's like them can't come for the rest of girl them. Them come for bling.
Cause them feel like it's soft, but them don't know here is there. Here is a blood clot time bomb. You just
them
hear
know me not start Flex. Them know say true me not stand up me a bill. But Flex for telling truth, may I have an ounce of hate in my heart for nobody because it no makes you cannot hate people.
But him just big and bad mind. That's why bad mind as well him say, you know. Blood clot, bad mind as well him. Eh?
Rose needs to pick a struggle.
What kind of struggle you make up?
I don't know, but there are a lot. So she needs to pick a struggle. Let me tell you something. God bless all the way. Me, you, she. Regardless of what we over here do. We are all blessed. Right? Flex. When God bless you, you want to elevate yourself or stop doing certain things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That means that you work with the devil then. Because every day you can't get up and just come out here, cuss people, class people, bring down people. So, when you come talk about me, bring down people. Oh, me bring down.
No, you don't bring that. A picnic she bring down. She don't bring down no big people.
Let me tell you what them I talk about. It's like a one girl or two girl will come for me and me answer them back and go out myself. And that them call bring down. That
yeah,
them
but defend yourself. Me go sort them mother. They know why you defend yourself. You know how come over here, come chat up, you know look up frownsy man, look up frownsy mouth and people no chat. I wanna jankro.
Thank you. Flex.
I wanna jankro. You know how come chat up with frownsy and frownsy mouth.
I know. You come tell TikTok say you see her over your man.
Yeah, me see her over man.
You come tell TikTok, you know.
Yes, so she over Britney.
And nobody no run with it. Don't.
Them believe the people them know that she over Britney. But she can't confront because she knows I'm a lie.
Well, if she do that, she need to go repent.
Rosalie, no, Obia, not a Britney. Rosalie have nothing to do with what going on with Brit. This a boy, a liar and cloud chaser. I said when Brit did a go on with her thing, he used to talk about him and Brit there and all different type of things. Whole heap of sitting him say. You know what I mean? I'll know me even confirm it say him and Brit did there. Cause him even have a picture with him and Brit. And him talk how much months him and Brit live together and sitting and can't find not even one picture with him and Brit. Well, maybe them never did take no picture of whatever happened to it. You see me, but me not believe him say man Brit did that. You see me I say. So let me know what you think in the comment section of people. Or what someone then move on to the next.
I move on.
You know, she bring the come out of the bar say, take me name off my parchment paper, Rosalie. Take me name off my parchment. Jesus Christ, oh God, Rosalie, a small pick him up.
First, you think God are gonna make all of them something they go unseen? You think God is going to make? Coco, thank you. You think God is going to make those things go unseen? It's not.
You know, see, she tell Lisa Hype say she send 4 blow off her. So she walk around and over people. She love.
Well, Lisa need to pay her the rest of her money still in a plate. First, one thing with me, may I give Caesar what do. Lisa need to pay her the rest of her money.
But she get 200. She get $40,000. She get 50 people in that video. 20 people in that video. Rosalie get $40,000. She get hairstyle. She get makeup. So if Lisa if you pay you 200,000, when am I gonna give other people them? Have conscience.
And Lisa, when me no want nobody agree upon nothing, and them do them not come true for me. You know them look away there. But me just say, if you are gonna talk about your obia Lisa, if you're bad, show the obia for me.
Blinga, she weak.
Flex, listen to me, I go sit here tonight.
I'm gonna be a woman with you.
Flex, listen to me. No weapon. None.
Come against you shall prosper.
If it comes from China. No weapon that's formed against Miss Bling. Me.
You know take good Blinga. You say no weapon. If you say no weapon that form against me and my family shall prosper.
No weapon that form against me and my family shall prosper. Remember that the Obia man there wicked. Anybody go there with my name, that Obia man there wicked, them just take them money. You cannot prosper, Coco. You crazy? I mean, I'm just a talk because I have mouth to talk, Flex. Me, I tell you this. All of my enemies, them shall be my footstool. Because I never trouble her. Every fucking time I saw she get up and throw shit. Me ignore her. Then you come back and start complain much like say me you're cool. But then you go there past screen recording and say this and I say that. Me not like that. The fuck, right. What you do? Do what you do, man? Do what you do?
That blood clot won't come.
Do what you do, man, and stop of me, like, you know? Coco, thank you, yeah. Everybody, big up on yourself. No.
You don't tap up the screen, man. You don't listen to one, but Jesus Christ.
Alright, so what we did then? I could go back.
Yeah, after the Blinga, we are talking about Bumbuckler. Blinga, remember we are talking about Annie and Anna. Anna say to and get rid of her. Show Anna live. Anna.
Alright, so Flex, listen.
Yeah. Make some junk for them go. Change the topic.
Annie should have, as a mother still, you know, me wanna come out and I come talk about the other man and them something there for me daughter and them something that's still in a Flex. Me don't know about 7 brothers, 7 different men, but Anna can't tell you that for truth, you know.
So Blinga, if you're tired of your mother, but you're the child.
No, I wouldn't do that. That's deep. That is deep.
If people say redance write that mix messaging and say redance handwriting that that the people them say not Anna write here redance write that message.
Well, alright, so what is it redance looking to gain from this? Because we all know redance, we know that is not your baby. Let's just be honest. That is not Redance, baby.
You don't even know that little dirty foot girl named Unique. Say, a Redance baby.
Alright, anything unique say that we are work with. What you think?
But she not a baby father, you know. Chat up a scream.
You mean the same unique with the able to get the alpha sandwich?
But it's not a baby father too.
And she actually,
yeah, she not a father for your pity too.
but hold on. Unique say wait, text listen to me, man. How unique to say a red and speak me?
That's how unique say. But unique, I know unique, no one who breed that too. So, Sha and I same thing at a jacket factory them.
Flex.
Jacket factory them.
You're not easy enough, Flex. You're not easy.
A real talk, a jacket factory them.
Why unique would come over here to come type this?
When she come over here like come type something?
No, why would she go over here live, go type and unique no say yeah go say something?
No, she the on screen record.
Huh?
She the on screen record, she said. What name again? Audience, you are not the father. With Redance, you are the father.
I think she was only joking. What you think?
No, you need them get. I know, but me I say she a baby before and she don't know if father I pick me, but she a go tell how breed and Anna.
That's one Rosa. Flex, you know me not like the hypocrisy. Me can't take the can't piece come can't come here now. Let me take piece. Me not like the hypocrisy. You don't like me. No play with blood clot. Me not come talk about me I look friend from you. You have anything to give me?
Too big for thinking dirty wheel.
Oh, I have to do that.
Yeah, somebody.
Right? No, that. Let me tell you what them problem. Let me tell you what do them. You see, true because you are so celebrity when go on them live and then go on so celebrity live. So in a them head, till them dead.
Blinga, watch what them do. Let me take any form of disrespect.
Yes.
To the road, sir.
Thank you very much.
In a certain league.
Yes.
You can't step on her. As a man, you can't piss on her. Kick her.
She
alright with that.
She that. Because let me tell you something. Let me tell you enough for them head. You see, you see, no used to is a crime. You hear me?
Never come see no.
Flex. This a girl and I run into no pussy. Go suck your mother. And you come underneath my life and you send me something. I say thank you. You crazy. Yeah. So because me not hype and me not talk about this and talk about that. Come and see them. Who them? Who them? Me a star. Me a star too. Me. In a class by myself. Tired out now.
Tired of them, Blinga. Tired of them. Take him to take blood clot, Britney and my papa, me beat that. Britney and boss say, take me to my papa.
And that, we don't draw a chair because we not going to see the every, you see the little all house? The all house, them over here soon tumble down. We don't draw a chair. And one thing we know with Blinga, none can tumble down upon Blinga. Because Blinga heart clean and Blinga not a bad mind. So the all house them soon tumble down. You see all uno people were in a comment section.
Alright my people, so I want to tell what they think in the comment section, because we all know say yo, the picnic look like Redance, but it can be filmed same way, but people have them opinion, you know, say a social media this, you know what I mean, they will give them opinion on certain situation and unique and say a Redance one, so I want to tell more what they think in the comment section, my people.
Una one next set of dog shit. Because we don't split justice, we don't tell people the truth. We don't support them foolishness and them fuckery. Entertainment are entertainment. You understand? Fuckery and seriousness are seriousness. We don't have to stop it. That's why some of our life stays so because when it's just like them. When it's just like them. So full of life are going to stay same like for them. When you get up when I wonder no can this. When I wonder why this happened to no. When I wonder this or not. Entertainment different from wickedness.
Bad man, you know.
It's a killing.
Bad man. Chat, get that with a one one.
And if she wants me and her go down Emmanuel Road so she can get the views and people are give her. This is what she wants. And you not get up from me.
But watch out. Alright. You like that? Triple chat. You like that? Zane, I want to get the money and I don't know what you want to do with it. Jink, one judge about this, big up yourself now. In jink art, in smoke art, in gamble art, me no know what, me no know. One judge about this, big up. In jink art, smoke art, gamble art. You know what I do with money. But everybody want to do better now, blinga. She bad mind them. Blinga, if you know, say if you go up on the ranking now.
You don't have to tell me Flex or something this way we know everybody know that him get mad and get upset and talk about what Blinga do over here in a Jamaica ranking at Saint-Anne. We know, me know. Me is an honest hypocrite in a Flex, me know the things then. Me just not say it until when time.
No. Never say something to you, Blinga. You know why she come out here now? Guess why? You are a friend.
What? Nice, thank you. In she rather than different all them want that have nothing to do with me.
You don't realize, Blinga. And if when I go discussing, he come like a two split in my walk with, you know, with your Raja, you know. So
but Flex, Raja, my friend, so, me not really, Derek, what's up? Flex, not say nothing about Derek. Flex, do.
Alright, me a bit here.
Yeah, alright, so back to what me I said.
Yeah.
If she will come for me because Raja, because she and Raja talk, and them fuckery, why would you even come for me? True, because of that. So what me have to do with that? What are you saying?
Please, Rosalie over him. No, me not diss him, but I'm a Batman, so me not handle it. And him know say I'm a Batman, so me I say, you're a Batman friend, Derek. Him say Rosalie over him.
Coco, thank you. Alright, just see Derek now. Derek, Lord.
Where are we dirty blood clot? Keep it for when sister if you $1 million. Don't keep your work and go. Keep your work and sell pretty like dog in a. What's that? Go find the video. When Kitty used to push dildo on her battery wall in a Manchester Street, Freaky Tuesday. Me can't call me mother confirm.
So people, what do you think about this saga? Now think it got really done? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section.
We now walk and tell her about a stinking kitty. Hold on, Mama Rose. Hold on, give me a minute. Let me call me slippery one. Freaky kitty, them walk and drink all corn. You see the Rasta man fuck her in a hotel and go left her and take away care. You see? The Rasta man fuck kitty in a hotel and take away the car from her dirty blood clot, my love. Trina girl was supposed to go. What do you kitty cook 6 pieces of axle? Rosalie, me shame. 6 pieces of axle in the pot. 6 pieces. Come here. How are you there? You said dirty kitty shit. You know the freaky girl uptown. Everybody freaky girl Reba and you remember the dirty freaky girl uptown? Dirty kitty, the freaky girl uptown. Come on, church actually takes to dance go with Michelle them. You remember they used to dance go uptown? Me ask if you don't remember when they used to dance go uptown. Me ask yes or no. Anybody used to remember? You know, remember they used to dance go uptown. Me ask with Michelle Thomas. You don't know Michelle right what I put this on? Tricky Michelle. You remember when the 2 twin them were uptown, the 2 twin girl? When we live in Manchester Lane, right there, so right at which part? The which part Channel house there where the bun down there, so right in the lane, there, so them used to live. Uptown.
Victorian?
Yes. You don't know what it is? Alright, look here later, bye. Blood clot, come on for this, my love. Let's go call somebody else, my love. Let me show you the video, because I have the blood clot with my love. I have the video, Rosalie. Let me show you the blood clot with Rosalie. Give me a minute, my love. You have the blood clot video. Give me a minute.
They say the mother have a right to do what she do and go on like she don't know the people them to get mixed up in a destiny foolish way them go and do. What are you man? John knows star. This man you mix up and turn bad till he want mix up all his mother in a foolish. You see me the woman that Jamaica you go chat people with that Jamaica and you bring it on live. You know what I mean where everybody are here. You see me? You want have a right. You man should just hang up your phone and make it look like a cut off. That boy they not easy, you know, mix up down to all their own mother and want mix up in a people business. People will want some more.
She them rebound at her sister, you know.
Eh?
I see them rebound and I sister them rebound, kitty them rebound.
Our sister named Rabia.
I see them rebound.
She named Reba and our sister named Rabia.
Who get her file? Who sent her file? She gonna take them man.
She used to work at Taboo. She was a sodomite.
You don't want to argue with you, because who can give me a file, it nasty. That's what I argue with you. Who give me a file, nasty. That's what I agree, them go further. I told them no, say, if them tell me, them no want them name card for the next. I'm not arguing with you.
Rosalie, a Spanish told me come from me after the video with Kitty have the bam bam in her mouth and the video in her mouth. And she had kissed up the girl in the party and the sweet on the life. Freaky choose them, I love it in my phone, so. Now go look at my Instagram and I see the video and send it to you. He said, I can't post it so. But it's anybody we have in them phone, send it, come give me up on WhatsApp, come and send it in my group.
You know no lie. So I'm not argue with she.
See, man. You know,
I pay man chick, I pay Batty boy, she got white prince will go war over.
You know, be
That shit up all.
Marsha be my fucker in a Lansdale. Be my kid, fuck Kitty. The surf of my life. I don't think you're not to keep I want to keep her sister. I keep mama mad, I know you're mad. I keep the blood clots, step, keep the uncle breathe out. I look a boy. I look a boy that's still in Godfather, my love, and I like the Godfather. You're me, I tell you that. Yeah. Don't people man, in a Spanish town, 1 drum to work and drum to all a Spanish town to work and fucking resort at taboo. You see their taboo, you go Bahamas go sell 50 germs. When Rosalie, when we dey pan live with Kitty and Ivany and Kitty same up man. We say man. But we don't know how to have man. You know me, Your Honor? I want the man.
No, Mr. Shah a long time, all man.
And a girl there with. You hear Rosalie talk about Macria by your people argument, you're too long.
She want to be relevant, so she stay.
But the comment section here, every time she go out and she do something and them record her, them ever bring her down. You're too enough. Rosalie and Macria cause all you get in there.
So she stay. It's very enough. Then she might tell us so she's very enough, so she's enough bad. Proud she look.
One of the other day, she too enough. You know what she do? Your Honor? You're not a trouble she come trouble, my love. That look used. You're too enough. Macula Rosalie cause all you get in there. No did your blood clot gift that take a mackerel man.
Exactly.
No your gift that take a mackerel man for one certificate was your gift. Mackerel can't class or mackerel can't class or mackerel baby father love me. I'm a self and God life. So what about you talk something? I'm put out something. Mackerel mother blind, and mackerel walk a man every man, and mackerel not take care of mother, you wicked.
Narration, moderation, all kind of ration. Where's the mackerel baby father look here?
My phone there. Me not show nothing, you know. The man now come back to Jamaica. Me not show nothing. The man said me must not call him name for life, my love.
Narration, moderation, all kind of ration.
The man said me must not call him name for life, Rosalie. But that alone, me assure Rosalie, me done. And everything of a sure. I could move your dirty blood clot. Dirty blood clot, and me a sent him man come him, I never come a visa. Me a sent him come to Switzerland and him not coming back, and I come see the asylum. He can't go back to Jamaica. You sent him dirty blood clot, you go mad, you go drop down. Him sister hate her, her sister don't like her. Her mama the American mad. Every man fuck Kitty. Every man fuck Kitty. Ballet Kitty. Every man fuck her. You know to do we get the name as Kitty. And you have Spanish Town mattress. You have Spanish Town Manchester mattress. You have the video with our prettiness. When she walk a wind up and girl and things in a party. Alright? Our blood clot right now. Show them what you take. Hold on. I'm this video at the group. Hold on. I'm going to phone ya. But me not delete the video. I'll let me delete it, I still have it. That's something. That's something I love. Come on Instagram, everybody come here. I'm posting on Instagram. Instagram is Destiny Purpose. I can't post on TikTok. Destiny Purpose is my Instagram, so everybody go on my Instagram. I go show no. Rosalie, I go show you all the kind of one. I'll have Bamba my sucker. I'll back home, not my stab in her throat. You know what I can't tell lie. You know do lie boy ya. Destiny Purpose.
Hey, Destiny of everybody business in them, of everybody file, you know. You see me I say, and them I say, I say, him need to learn the language in Switzerland because him have only couple of years left before them send him out of them country, because you have to know the language to get residency or whatever, or get your citizenship. You see me I say, and him no learn the language, and him dey on internet and dig up everybody file and everything, and before you go learn the people them language, him they dig up people file and I bring down people. Boy, if people only make me know what to think. Go watch some more.
I have a video. I don't come from the same place. I don't come from the same place, you know. If I spend the year song, and yes, I was actually by Manchester Street. If somebody with your file, them know about her dirtiness. They tune up. They're going to hear the screamer car bring her down later. Rosalie and Macula cause all you getting at the argument. Stinking, kick a big foot, blood clot, kick body shape bad. The woman go to body and the woman body flipper turn calm. The woman body just drop down. You want a body flipper. What do you mean I say the whole of the girl in panty? But you no look good. I Rosalie me talk say look good. But you no look good. Everybody you no look good.
That ticky kitty.
Bad.
Not ticky kitty. Nasty river.
Go to germs. To see a long time, video no matter for a long time, blood clap, they a freak. And she's still a freak. It doesn't matter for a long time, video she's still a germs.
Yeah, jack of all trades. You call them girl a jack of all purpose girl, jack of all trades. Puss girl.
She's a germ for a long time, video.
Reebok.
I know country she come from. A Spanish town she come from. Manchester Street. In the town, a Spanish town. And that's where she come from. Oh, you never know, say up, oh, I don't think them go like them are uptown, girl, they are not uptown, they must walk and sell for $20 in Jamaica. And used to dance at taboo. When you look, you man, they are Panama sing pampole. You man, they are Bahamas are swing pampole.
Go recharge, love there, go recharge. Around place to come with the video.
Them are not twin. Everybody think them are twin, but them are not twin. Them are not twin. I hear apart them band. No uncle grew up with our first son. But ask your uncle why I'm doing it. For the whole of Spanish too. Remember after what your uncle do to you, them analyze him. Remember dirty girl, come talk. Stinking girl, knock up in a people business. Come talk about your When I see the man take away the car from me, the man have the woman, the man fucking and blessing a blood clot fucking. I just tell the man, say, baby, I'm pregnant. The man fucking, he tell the man, say, baby, you know, baby, I'm pregnant. Remember me and her was friend. Me and her Ivany are friends. Tell the man, say, baby, I'm pregnant. The man pack her bag in at the man and Rosalie and jump in at the blood clot here and go lift him. Go lift him at the hotel alone.
Trevor see the man after that?
No, depression nearly kill her blood clot. She go live with her auntie now. Depressed. One time when depression lick her, she go stay with her sodomite friend. And then she left and go, auntie, oh, she in an affair house, auntie house. Auntie, oh, she in an affair house. The woman called SOS. He said the phone is out of service. The woman not on service and cut off the man service, the man affair bill. Internet bill. I said she have 50 for accident foreign. One who could have cooked 50 for accident. Mackerel can't class me call mackerel raw. Mackerel paper can't help she. Mackerel cranny and time, but mackerel for attack out. Mackerel paper cockroach. Mackerel can't class me a blood clot. But first and foremost, you know, when mackerel in the pan cocky, mackerel can't look in a man face so. Mackerel have to look for. After them have to look in at the man them face so. Then when them a look on you, so them a look so. And so I agree with them the girl. Them the girl want glasses. Them the girl can't walk alone. Them the girl can't walk out. Them the girl can't walk alone per road because them buck up in a light post. Them can't see. Them the blind people them can't see. You don't have with blind people. Them blind. Mackerel live in cockroach. Mackerel raw. Mackerel get 2 million pies though. That's why I don't eat them.
Murderation, botheration. Murderation, botheration, all type of ration.
Alright, the video with this sorry.
Oh, a top shot. Murderation, botheration. I'm going to join in a group, when a group I go. I give me a look, I know you're born a girl. Murderation, botheration, all type of ration. Me no want you about no girl. Me no friend for no girl. One man me take the other to Tthhole. Hello, stop tell me say blinga keep court case now. Me no want you about nobody keep no court case. One of them more people keep me no want here. Chop. Power tap and run go reach out and end the life as someone who go about the court case to keep. I give me a look, me another bag of chatting.
What is thinking, Kitty? I find it with a dirty girl. My friend from Spanish Town, they send me the link and I want to show by you.
Me not friend if you know, girl. One man me take me at the total. That's why me anti-social. Guys, Anna will money gun doing up there, they got post 23 euros. €23, I'm gonna restart the live. Me no wanna crowd ya so. We not gonna go on over with my classmate. Oh.
What is that? Guys, everybody send some roses.
No go on with my class. No go restart this. Me no wanna treat those girls slung for me. Me now, you know what I mean now. 23 euros. Whatever do make them want slung and chat. You know, so when it once I meet the storage up, all of them go run arc on it.
All of them are company for true.
You know, so me a top girl, no that. All of them we are look out to run a fight. Remember that if we want to bling her birthday, she couldn't get some 200 people down it's her birthday. And them say them are things 200 people, them say them are things span ya. You don't know, so once I meet it got spice ya epic. Someone wanna go and go listen for me now, please come in a war here. Triple chat, I'm gonna restart, I'm gonna go and go listen. Triple chat. Triple chat. Guys want one wheel, another wheel, money gun, want push something. Triple chat. Chat triple.
We're going to debate about certain things. Some will make it go on. What bring up my head now? Me a scroll a while ago on my TikTok. Me don't know who see that video there, you know. Who see that live. I don't know when that live they do, honestly. Me don't know when that live they do, but me just a scroll through my TikTok and me see King Donia upon the live. Me see Dummy upon the live. Me see Damien upon the live. And me see Six upon the live.
Alright, my people, so I could hear about the dummy situation, you know, from Ivany, you know what I mean? Because, boy, my people, them people up on TikTok can't live good, you know. And I feel like, so because Donia and Ivany are no friend, that's why the people that were Donia part with certain way, them not really into Ivany that much, you know what I mean? Like, even Dummy and Idonia, them tick, you see me? King Donia, them tick. So, maybe that's the reason, but I could hear Ivany explanation for what go on, and, you know what I mean, what Dummy do and listener bring him down, so make we get to like the people.
Oh, since night, me no know because me just a scroll and see that. As me see me turn on, me get mad and turn on my life. And when me a scroll, to be honest, me not even listening to all live video, you know, because I look up at me ear, trigger my head, you know, and me never need to hear nothing more than see what me see. Me see all four of them up on the live, and me hear King Donia say, if nobody can style him friend, I'm irrelevant, and me a try to be relevant, and King Donia a style me, and Dummy up on the live a laugh. Now tell me if me mad or something. Go on, me screenshot. Me screenshot it, I'm gonna put it on my TikTok story. So you can go and look on the person. Me remember who post the video. Cause as me say, me just see a little piece, me not watch the full record. Me just see one little clip, and me just screenshot it, and me just post it on my story, and me just turn on my live. The whole 4 hours of the live, and Donia diss me, and suck with Dummy up on the live, and the whole of them a laugh. So what me want to understand, when me I get this for? What me I get this for? What me I get this for? Honestly, what what did I say to be getting disrespect? Me never did I pick up and me don't tell you already say. Me never did I pick up for Damien. Me just a talk truth. Me even said to Dummy on the night. Me said to him say, even if it was you in the situation and Damien asks you what are you doing in any ranking, I would have stood up just the same like I stood up for Damien. It could have been anybody. It could have been anybody would have stood up the same, because nobody should ask nobody whether am I doing a ranking. The ranking big for everybody. But what me not understand is Dummy ask the question and you low-key style the man, and then you're up on the live with the people them and I laugh and like and you're up on the live with Damien to like say me this and stuff. And that's why I know say uno man we fuck no for lion. Uno do anything for little gift. I mean I want a friend from you Dummy unfollow block and blood clot delete. My unfollow you and block and delete you na crosses on the app. Uno yeah little bit on red and uno alone for make money. You're going like you're innocent when you come when you make the blood clot girl tell you oh she have much money in America and I love sweets. And I just on TikTok there's a long time you love sweets. You're there Jamaica and make girl a foreign friend and tell us she have all thought of business and money. And your blood clot left Jamaica and come a foreign to woman. And when you come here, you find out that the woman not have what she tell us she have. She not have the expensive cars. She not have the expensive apartments. When you look bills a murder. When you look credit card a beat her, but dumb you no miss it and you say it upon screen record. And I'm make it up. It come out of your mouth. You said it. You come on live and say, guys, the girl tell we say she have car, apartment and all these things. And when you come to America, you realize and find out the truth about her. You love sweet and you say it and you talk it. And from them the time they love sweet. And me show you say that's why I can't keep friend long. Because when me have friend, you know, I want thing about me, you know. That's when me have somebody when me see my friend, I have them as my friend, blood clots. So But when time them for have me as a friend, them always throw me under the blood clot bus. And that's why I'm in a rank for class them and block them and delete them. Because remember say me and Dummy a friend long before we hear about Dummy argument when him a beating girl. And when the girl come out on the internet attack, can go up on my page right now and scroll go down. I'm supposed to have about 5,000 comments and 300 odd K views when me had done the girl for you. When me turn on my blood clot video and I make the people them know say, girl, when Dummy was beating you, you sit down and I wouldn't really care. And I defend you from the blood clot scratch to the bottom. And I you turn around come diss me. You see it go? And you turn around come diss me. When people look on it, people I say Vanya the problem, she don't want a friend. But it come like people like me not have a friend cause me too real for blood clot them. Cause you will give a man your heart and a man now give them all. And once you not my sister you not give me your all like oh, me I give you 100% and you give me 50, go suck your mother. Cause some little things me see you start do from Mada, I not like that neither. I soon call out you all out one by one to me. No really some things me see all follow Swissly and World Dog. Them a put on clothes. Lord them that to Swiss and World Dog. Make up your own thing. Everything people do on the app on the follow. More while you will hear me talk like Britney. Bro, it's trolling. I troll. If me I play one match with Smaddy, I used to me say Bamba Clot. Everybody's supposed to know a Britney, a troll. Yeah, but next time we talk like somebody, a troll. But you're not gonna see me act like somebody. You're not gonna see me
people, we me see it everybody on TikTok bad mind. You know what I mean? And all for themselves. I don't mind them I get the whole of the gift. And that me say, you know what I mean? And that's how we see it. You see it. When it comes to Dummy and him following Sicily and World Dog, you have to, you know what I mean, evolve. You have to change up your style. You can't be a one-trick pony. So, you know what I mean? You have to ever stay relevant and people are going to want to come on your life because you come with something different every time. The people are more stagnant like water, you know, man. Then the people that make it in a bedroom, then the people that sink, you know. But the people that more constantly evolve and elevate, you know what I mean, and find new ways to entertain the people them. Then the people that stay relevant, you know what I mean? So let me know what I think with people. We are going to watch some more.
That dress like Smaddy. You're not gonna see me and start do everything where the person I do. No, I'm not gonna do that. Why it's a different because I can't talk because the sounds them on TikTok where people are use the same sounds them. But you a blood clot take off the old people them package and I put it on you. I see all around some little fish and pum joke and me have to really wonder if I don't me this me I play with. And then I bet if me did pick up for you and this Damien and the whole of them a blood clot hypocrite, all of them. All of them, they don't care about, I'm telling you something, money is the root of all evil. None of them are no friend. And if them sister them can play with each other for make $100, they will play with each other for make $100. Me not run a hypocrite. I go sell out the whole of my blood clot all them. Oh. I rather go sell me all them. Mouth back, go to your bed. Mouth back and front. Blood clot. Uno too disgusting. Me ever pick up phone in and always go like uno want blood clot this me. Yeah. That's why I'm not keep friend, you know. That's why I don't keep friend. Cause you come up and I ask the man say, why you going to Jamaican ranking? I mean, I talk truth from truth and wrong from wrong. And then I want to turn the script to make it look like, say, I mean a blood clot, I mean the wrong. And then I sit down on live with your friend them like you want this me when me never do nothing on tal. And then when I look at the people at screen record and I see a Vanya, the blood clot, I stay far from the whole of them. No crosses. No crosses. And it good. Don't worry. It good, man. If you talk back to him, God come. I'm not a friend from none of them. Then go suck out them mother and go. Matter of fact, me will come back later. fuck around me? Alright. Share live, chat. Share live. You want to fuck around me? Alright. Chat, share live. But bring down dummy. Me bring him down. Don't give a fuck. Cause dummy a groupie. I go and bust. Wait. I go and bust liberty. I go and bust liberty. I go and bust liberty over this blood clot tonight. What a lucky thing we say me that I go and bed what I do. And it's like a one mind say. Find something kitchen in here and I come. And I don't know put my body boy. And I can't start my pussy. Don't want to stop fuck man. I do them soon murder next to Jamaica. Them soon do like how them do 41 bus say I should have the 200 them slap off them that blood clot. You don't know how them take so long to go for you. Oh, that's why when your blood clot friend dead, you don't come celebrate that whole lot of germs bag. Oh, I tell you that. My dad, go ahead. We're gonna make all my chipping and night. Don't me a smarty. Now groupie, now butcher man groupie. Now smarty. Any man can sit on a lie and not fuck with you know. Anybody you know. Me just can't understand. On my phone then. Me just can't understand. Me I scroll through TikTok a while ago. And me book up on one live. Where dummy dep on one live. With dummy dep on the live. I think 6 dep on the live. Donia dep on the live. I think blam them dep on the live. From what year when we have the conversation with bad mind dummy, cause dummy a little bit of your bad mind. Cause it look like say you never want you don't want Jamaican people them. You look like you alone Jamaican people for give money. And that with uno on the app, uno look a bit and watch people pocket too much. I mean I got taught the things them. Uno look a bit and uno watch people pocket too much. Anything we do with money, I just say they beat off your girl a foreign. Beat off. Why I left Jamaica dummy? No the girl where they know from nowhere trick you so she have money. Me can't go up on screen record right now when you said the girl make you left Jamaica come a foreign. Think she have this and have that. And when you come a foreign you find out say the girl have be a credit card problem. Sweets! A sweets make you reach a foreign. Who'd make me reach ya? Sweets make you dummy reach a foreign. A long time when I love sweet. You talk it on screen recording say you meet girl and you think girl have things and girl tell us she have this and that. You come a foreign and when you come a foreign you realize she owe much bill and have a much credit card. You know a smarty pan the app. Then you must
people, that's why I tell you say them TikTokers them not like each other, you know, no matter how you see them move and go on and sitting, them not like one another. Them we play a match with one another, yes, but guess what? At the end of the day, them who not like one another. You see me I say them not like one another because them say thief not like visit thief with long bag and I no lie. You see me I say so we don't want to think the people with this dummy and Ivany situation. This coming like say it's a long time coming and it reach a part where if you reach now for them kick off and cuss one another. As me say, me don't remember if me see dummy never answer Ivany. The only thing me see him doing up on him live and him a play some gospel music. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. We're gonna watch some more.
Me see what y'all try to from the night, you know. Me see what y'all try to from the night. You see from the night when you ask Damien where am I doing a Jamaica. Ask Damien where am I doing a Jamaica. And cause pussy ever see me in a blood clot gifting worries look like me hungry like you know. Things when me say oh no I do for gift me not do it. You know a mama man in a my eye, mama man. Cause my man could have on the internet in a some pants a print out him. You know a fish. You know a low-key fish. One day I go up on your live. I me see a turn up a while and you something print out and it's not woman alone give you. So obviously the man them pay your life and I all I me a talk but I'm gonna give a fuck who want from me. All I know we a print out to know in pan live like it look good a man de pound live on undercover fish. Undercover fish. Go pound live and not just up in all these type of blood clot costume to know something print out in front of camera and a skin up on your face and a wine like man now watching no live. Like man no give you no too. On a fish. Cause when I come by the live and see that, and me I look back in myself and say, Jesus Christ, them just a print out for them something. So imagine the man them we are watching. From one night here, when Dummy asked the question, I'm answer it. The boy, you realize the one thing him done pan? You realize the one thing when him done pan I say, one question I ask you in a warning and you try flip it. Dummy a little bit and bad man. Who the fuck is you for ask somebody where them are doing a ranking? When World Dog in a Jamaica ranking, Missy send World Dog request and play it World Dog. Why they ask World Dog where am I doing a Jamaican ranking? You know I look up to man more, I want to look up to blood clot God. That's how my son turn on the life on Sunday I play Christmas song. I give you no a blood clot do it for. That's how when my son turn on phone live, you know, and I play a Christian song on Sunday and I give God glory and after blood clot 3 hours. You know, not print out, you know, that blood clot, the gift of them, you know, have sympathy pound, so you know, serve God. And 2 2s after. Dummy, you couldn't trick nobody. You couldn't trick nobody. When a girl named Alandra, where the makeup in a Jamaican ranking, you send her a request, you play with her, you never ask her what she doing in a Jamaican ranking. One heap of other people, why you not ask them? I realize so no man I want to look up this a group up on the internet. Cause what do you mean I play since you start group up with King Donia them pan live and thing, what do you mean I play live and you run a suck pussy joke argument? From them time them look you bow down. You don't do anything for money. You do one time you could even hear uno as man on the internet say certain things. And what day when me in my room, I spread my bed, when me the live. You run suck pussy joke. And me ball out and say, hey, them something that you do now. You feel so comfortable with the people them when you play match with. You all start talk things. You all start to follow them and talk things and do it. You're not even saying real life, you know, you don't care your mouth come out. Any little thing you want to talk for, and you say so you get little money, on follow it up. If you see one man gone dressed in a costume, you run. Dumb, you can't even come with your own blood. The only thing you come with to act like dumb, you should have stayed dumb. You see blood clot, Swiss them in a printout clothes, you run gone in a printout clothes. You see blood clot, what I look at one the name. You see Jayden come out with him, look at talking them. You don't know the man make you have I'm alone it fit, I'm alone can go around and people that meds him. But when me see uno start talk it and not do it look away, nobody can tell me say uno a low key fish. And you know what hurt me? Are you bro? Me I tell you, for sure so now groupie. When me join the live with Damien, me call Damien Batman. Everybody knows I saw me and Jayden, me and Damien talk. Me call Damien Batman. And Damien call you Batman. And you get vexed. You were under your skin. You get under your skin. And you start this back the man. And when you start this back the man now, me start cuss Damien for you. Me start pick up for you now, you know. And I tell Damien, say Damien for leave you alone. So that's how you come in now by asking him where am I in a Jamaican ranking. So you asking him that now you thought. I want you to tell me like him thinks say me would have him back. If you say, yeah, Damien, why are you doing a Jamaican ranking? Why you not stay over Guyanese ranking? You think me that go have your back. But justice is justice and fear is fear. Me never have your back. The man can in any ranking him want for inner. Any ranking him want for inner. Then when me start call Jayden name and other rankers giving you examples of why he can be in any ranking. Bro, you really in a me you try flip it for me, you know. Anybody on the life could have seen the night, yeah, try flip it, you know. If you realize the one thing when keep on I say, Vani, why you try make it be something it not? Bro, you ask the question. you even get up and say Jamaican people easy for buy out. So basically you're saying that Jamaican people should not give Damien, they should give you. And every Jamaican people, them fi come give you. I'm tell you something. When I hear dummy, I say Jamaican people no support a gift dummy want. Jamaican people now support dummy that much or him want. If she said Damien come in a Jamaican ranking and I get more money than them, and that a blood clot cause the problem. If Damien did in a Jamaican ranking and can't pass 50 or 60, nobody would remember him. But Trim is outside, him on a Jamaican, and him in the Jamaican ranking, dummy you live a foreign, what the fuck you, what that have to do with you with who they Jamaican ranking? Yeah, they are foreign in an American ranking, where you are worried about Jamaican ranking for. All that they pay your head. And then you try to flip it now. So make me look like a bad person when you ask the question, when you are talk about who Jamaicans easy for buy out. Now wanna watch people, wanna watch gifters them pocket too much. And yeah, watch how much money the people them make too much. Cause somebody want give somebody what it have to do with you. If somebody go in a Jamaican ranking and the people them work them hard 95 clean shit, be doctor, wash this, wash that, wash car, work at airport, do hairdresser, sell bag juice and take up them hard working money go give somebody what that have to do with you. And you know so the night I'm gonna share you're coming like a girl. You know so the night when Mr. said never that gone away. Me done it. My last word was, I hope dummy I feel some type of way, but when I say, can I just say that split justice, I not pick up for nobody. The people them come and tell me, say, I for go up on Damien live. I say, guys, I now go up on Damien live, because I want dummy see me on Damien live and feel like, say, me a betray him, and me now go over dummy live neither for make it look like me a hypocrite. Me now go up on a body live, me just go and build on my life, because me not there on the back and forth. Me just talk on me have to talk and it done. Me never go up on them live after everything done. Me keep on say, me hope them not have no problem with what me say. You know, so me see some screen record after me and the life and dummy jump and Damien gone in business and we got my business, and them I put up the screen record. You know, so I saw a screen record when dummy slightly throw shades. And I talk about bad mind and who this and him slightly. If you go up on the page and then Brianna, you see them. Go